Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage auto pickup settings in Naraka Bladepoint. And to do this, we'll need to click on the escape, go to our settings, then assist, and here when you scroll down you can enable or disable auto pickup for mouse and keyboard as well as the controller. You can toggle pickup limit and turn on pickup limits. On tapping E prevents you from picking up more items when you already possess the maximum amount, and off turns off pickup limits. Then you can change the default limit, and there's a slot right here for healing berries, armor powder, and etc. Bugs expansion limit by 10, and you can also adjust all of the items, and bugs expansion for 12, and that is all of the settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.